Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Oh, sweetie child, with laughter so free, these songs are treasures just for thee. From farms to spiders, buses to sheep, each rhyme is magic we all keep. So clap your hands and stomp your feet, for childhood's joy and short makes life complete.
Baa Baa Black Sheep, Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for the master and one for the dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane.
Black sheep bring wool, and stars shine bright. Every moment feels warm in the fading light. Through fields of green and skies of blue, these timeless tales belong to you. Incy Wincy Spider, Incy Wincy Spider, Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the spout again. Oh, sweet child, don't fear the fall, for every climb brings joy to us all. With every drop, with every rise, you'll find new worlds before your eyes. So sing along, let worry cease, for childhood's glow never leaves. The wheels on the bus, the wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, swash, swish. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The people on the bus say move on back. Buses roll and spiders climb, life moves forward every time. Through towns and hills, through stormy weather, together we journey now and forever. Jack be nimble, Jack be quick. Jack jumped over the candlestick. He leapt so high he touched the sky and landed softly as clouds drifted by. Oh, sweet child, dream of bold and true. The world unfolds and true. The world unfolds its colors for you. From black sheep's wool to spiders so small, each tale reminds us we have it all. So cherish this gift, this fleeting grace. Childhood's lowly times, a timeless trace. Sleep now, my darling, close your eyes. Let dreams carry you to paradise. Tomorrow brings another tune, another bird.